Good afternoon. Sean Dresden from Dresden Pappas Commercial Real Estate, coming to you from Bradenton, Florida in Manatee County. From my newest listing I've got here is a 16-bed former assisted living facility, affectionately known as the Love and Care ALF. You can start to see it over my shoulder here as I walk. There's also a cottage included, which is almost 1,000 square feet. And you've also got a nice piece of land up front, which could be maybe some future expansion or parking, whatever you want to put there, may potentially work and could be a nice boon for the property also. Along those lines, just wanted to make sure that I touch on a couple of points. So we've got masonry construction here. We've got central air, and this was quite the income producer and very successful for many years as ownership of the property. Actually built it and operated it originally from 1998 till 2007, when she then leased to an operator of the property who took over and was very successful until about 2019. My understanding is they may have overextended themselves a little bit, and then the pandemic, and just gotten a little too far outside of their comfort zone and ultimately needed to pull back. So now we have a real opportunity for somebody to come in here and restore its former glory. If you'd like some more information on this or discuss further, by all means, give me a call at 941-961-8199, or you can email me at tritoncre@gmail.com. Make it a great day. Thanks.